Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present our project proposal. The title is Elderly Care Registration System. Our lecturer's name is Dr. Muhammad Faizal Abidabal and we are from Group Class E M102K. Our group members, which is me, Amir Razi. Secondly, Rizwan. Thirdly, Iskandar Haikal. And lastly, Muhammad Hakimi. Our project title is Elderly Care Registration System. The background of the system is elderly care is the fulfillment of the special needs and requirements that are unique to senior citizens. These are the objective for the elderly care registration system, which is firstly to get the information from the customer, such as of type of senior citizens. In the coding process, we will use three functions, which is first repetition, second if else process, and lastly switch.
Okay, we move to sample of project description. In our system, we have four packages, which is A, B, C, and D. Each package has a different price depending on what if you choose day or month. Okay, for the sample of project code, we begin with if package equal to package A, then if type equal to price per day, then set price to RM50 ringgit, else set price to 1000 ringgit, and if so same goes to other package, but the difference is the price for each package.
Before we jump to our coding, this is the sample of our flowchart. So we begin the declaration with the name, age, and religion of our customer. So the customer need to key in their name, age, and religion. Then they can choose for the package what they want to buy. Next.
Then after they choose their package A, B, C or D, they can choose for day or a month. After that, they will see the total price for their package.
So next we go through to our coding process. At first we need to declare our variable with firstly char, which is code, time, name and race. Secondly float, which is price, total price and total price one. Lastly in, which is age and period.
First of all, we want to display to our customer with welcome and our company name. So after that, we want to display the table of list package and the price. So next, we want to display to our customer what is the detail of our package, and then customer can key in their name, race and age. Next.
So after the user or the customer complete their information needed, they need to select what package that they want to choose. If for example, if they want to select package A, you already select package A statement will appear. Then the program will show details about package A that the customer need to know. So after that, the customer need to select whether they want to choose time or they want to choose day or month. And then after they complete their choice, the total price will appear. So same goes to others package, but the difference is the price.
After the customer enter their information will appear and the package will appear. But if they enter the invalid code, the invalid code statement will appear.
So this is our final report. In our proposal, we already show our introduction and our flow chart and our pseudocode. So we will go through to the list of code. Okay, for list of code 3.1 selection, we choose multiple selection, which is linear nested if statement. This method is used when there is more than one option that can happen with different output. Based on our coding, when user insert code D, the program will show details about day, and if the user insert code M, the program will show detail about month instead. There are 4 options that customer can select for the package. Code A for package A, code B for package B, code C for package C, and code D for package D. If they insert the code that does not include in the program, invalid code will appear.
Next, there are details of variable constant, input and output. So we are already list our variable and constant. First, which is character constant, char. Code we use for package, time we use for day or month, name we use for customer name, and race we use for customer race. And secondly, decimal points, which is float or double. Price we use for price of package, total price we use for price of total day and package, and total price one we use for total price for the entire package. And lastly, integer expression, which is int. Age we use for customer age, and period we use for total day that customer choose in a month.
Next is the input process of our coding. So in this part, we want to key in. We want the information from the customer such as name, race, and age. Next, this one, we want to calculate the total price of the package that customer choose. Next, this is the output of our display. The output of our display is what we want to show the information to our customer.
And lastly is screen layout. Firstly, simple one. This customer has heart attack problem, so he choose package B in our registration system. Next, sample 2. This customer choose package C for a few days and needs to pay 1,180 ringgit. And lastly, sample 3. This customer had entered a code other than A, B, C, D. So he got an invalid code. That's all from our group. Thank you.